Welcome back to another video. This is how you use instant manifestation. So when you're manifesting anything or anyone that you want, whether it's specific person, love, relationships, a specific outcome, money, career, job, whatever. It's not about having it in the future. It's not about putting it off in some future tense or thinking that it has to be a process that you have to do X, Y, Z in order to get what you want, because that's doing it through the logical efforting. Whereas manifestation is really just about alignment. It's about being right now the version of yourself who already has what you want and assuming that that is true now. So, two ways to do this that you can use to use instant manifestation. It's really about telling yourself that it's happening now, that it is done now, that it is here right now. So two ways that you can do that is, one, by literally just deciding from your I amness, from your power, from knowing that you are all that is, that you're the creator of your reality, that literally whatever you say goes, right? So it's the law of whatever you say goes, goes. Whatever you say works, works. Okay, if you're seeing things that you don't like, you're like, nope, I don't accept that. I'm only available for this. So you can use decision affirmations, deciding this is the way it is now. This is the way it is now. This is how it is now, right? So just affirming that you already have what you want in present tense as if it is yours right now. I am already in a loving, committed relationship. I am already experiencing perfect love. I already have perfect relationships. I already have so much money in my bank account. Every single day, my business is growing. Every single day, I'm making this much money, right? Like literally make it specific if you want. Like I'm making 1K a day, or I'm making 30K a month, or I'm making $1 million a year. Like literally it doesn't matter, whatever you want to decide, right? And then the second way, if you feel like affirming gets you a little bit obsessively thinking about it, or it feels hard for you to concentrate or do that, you feel kind of scattered all over the place with your thoughts, this can be a better option for you. So it's simply through daydreaming. Okay, so daydreaming. Remember when you were a kid and you would just look out the window in school and you would just be daydreaming, right? I was always that kid in school, in class, where I would get into trouble from my teachers because I was always daydreaming. I was off in some other world daydreaming. But actually your imagination is one of the most powerful tools. If in fact it is the most powerful tool, because it's literally what you're inputting into your mind, which is being reflected out there, right? Everything, your reality is the mirror. It's the reflection. It is showing you what you're focusing on internally, whether it's consciously or unconsciously. But you can use this imagination, you can use this daydreaming to your advantage. So literally just spend, it doesn't even have to be long, right? I would say 5 to 20 minutes of putting yourself into a relaxed state. So for me, I like to do it in the shower because I'm already very relaxed there. Or I will put on some music, I'll lie down and I'll just daydream about my manifestations, what I want to manifest, as if it's already mine. So I'm already experiencing it, right? So if it's with a specific person, I am putting myself in, you put yourself into the situation that you want to experience with them, right? So maybe you feel them hugging you, maybe you feel them kissing you, or if it's a friend, maybe you see each other like dancing together, laughing together, going out together, joking together. Or if it's a specific amount of money, you see that in your bank account, like how are you using that money? What are you spending that money on? What is it allowing you to have? And you're daydreaming those experiences. So maybe you see yourself traveling, maybe you're on a beach somewhere, maybe you're staying in a beautiful hotel on the sea, or maybe you are driving your dream car, maybe you are in your dream home. Like literally It's your imagination, it's your desire, you get to choose. But what I want you to try to do is do this from a place of not trying to do it to get results in the future. It doesn't necessarily, that doesn't mean that you're not going to get your manifestation, right? But it just does come easier, I've noticed, whenever you don't have as much resistance to it. And when you're just simply putting yourself in that daydream to enjoy it. That is it. You're just putting yourself there because it feels good. And you're feeling, what does that feel like? You are using your senses to experience that. And you're just soaking it all up. And honestly, whenever it's something that you want, sometimes you don't even want to leave the daydream because it just feels so nice. It feels so good, right? But honestly, this is how I've manifested so many amazing things in my life, whether it's been money, clients, business growth, love, specific situations going how I wanted it to. Literally, this is extremely powerful because, again, whatever you're putting into your subconscious mind does not know the difference between reality and imagination. And it is filtering out experiences to give you whatever you're focusing on. And also, as well, whatever you are feeding to your mind, think of it like it's the projector. It has to reflect in your reality. Okay. So with that being said, enjoy this, go apply it, and have an amazing rest of your day.